Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying basic variables so you don't chase ghosts. First, plug the keyboard into another computer or a powered USB hub to confirm the peripheral itself is okay. While doing that, inspect the computer's USB port and the keyboard plug for dust, lint, or bent contacts and gently clean with compressed air. If you have a spare cable, swap it in. Once you've isolated whether the cable, keyboard, or port is failing, move to Diagnostics. Now, confirm the system recognizes the device and that power settings aren't interfering. Open Device Manager and look for unknown devices, yellow icons, or HID keyboard entries. Right-click and uninstall problem drivers, then reboot so Windows reinstalls them. Alternatively, download the latest drivers from the manufacturer. Next, open Power Options and disable USB Selective, suspend to rule out power-saving turnoffs. Finish by addressing physical port failures and validating repairs. For desktops, check internal USB headers and cable seating, receipt connectors, and inspect for cold solder joints. If solder damage exists, plan a board repair. If laptop or fixed ports are dead, use a powered USB hub or a USB to PCIe adapter as a practical workaround. Reboot into BIOS to test keyboard recognition outside the OS, and try another operating system or live USB to confirm. If problems persist, document symptoms and seek professional board-level service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.